Michael, at the Engineering Technology Group, you've been very successful in the UK, but 5 years you opened your Irish office and you was one of the first to join. Now tell me a little bit about the background to ETG Ireland and also how you're doing in reference to machine tool sales and applications.
Yeah, Mark. 5 years. Yeah, 5 years we've been open now in Ireland, and just going from strength to strength. Started out with Jamie Fletchmore was as our MD. Started out in Ireland. Obviously, he was doing quite well, and the numbers have grown. Big brands for us here in Ireland, which are doing really well. Obviously, we've got our Bridgeports, Quasars, Chiron, Nakamura. And Nakamura sales have been really good for us here in Ireland. So they have recently twin turret, twin spindle machine into a customer in Northern Ireland. They're second of that type of machine that they've just bought. You know, a lot of return business on those Nakamuras.
And I presume that some of the bigger sectors for you guys very much over here is aerospace and medical.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the aerospace sector, the medical sector, but the general engineering sector as well. Definitely in medical has been, medical in the south and in the north of Ireland, a lot of aerospace. But we're seeing a kind of fluctuation now where we're starting to see more aerospace in the south as well and some more medical in the north. So things are looking good.
Now we've caught you today at Limerick at the Institute of Technology, which is the Manufacturing Solutions Ireland event. Why do you exhibit here?
Yeah, this is our 4th year at this event. I think it's a really, really good event from the machine tool industry. Very focused event. Nice long corridor. Everyone can walk along, kind of see everyone. And today, I suppose what we've brought more so, today we're focusing on our software. So we've bring in our Simco from Industry 4.0 side of things, our Mastercam and our Camplete software. So that's the main things we're showing here today at the show.
And are you seeing a lot of your customers and prospective customers, are they really going down the route of automation?
Yeah, we are. Like we've had, more and more people with robotic loading systems, pallet systems, and that's kind of from us then from the side on the Simco specifically, the Industry 4.0, the monitoring side. We're seeing a lot more people want to know the OEE on their machines, how their machines are actually running. So that the software sales in Simco have been really good for us this year, and it's just growing and growing.
As the UK market is very competitive, I'm sure the Irish market is, but for you, what does stand out and what makes ETG different?
Our ability to provide the turnkey solution. We can provide, what we are able to provide is we're able, as we say, from the top floor to the shop floor. We can provide with Mastercam, Camplete, design your program, post out your program, verify the program in Camplete, then with the Simco software, the DNC software, send it down to the machine, then it's onto the machine on the shop floor. You can make your part on the machine and monitor it as well using the Simco software. We were able to provide that as a full turnkey solution with the support from service and applications and sales.
And one thing in the UK, I know that you work very closely as a partnership with your customers. Is that very much the same in Ireland?
Yeah, very much so. Like our partners such as Goring, Houghton, we have a number of partners who we work with, and we have the exact same partners here in Ireland that we work with.
And do you feel that ETG Ireland can actually give you a one-stop shop?
Oh, absolutely. You can come to us and we can, as I say, we can provide a full package for you, tooling package, everything, all in one. Machine dropped on your floor, ready to go, your full turnkey solution.